Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today in this video we'll be discussing Dogecoin, conduct machine learning based price forecast as well as regression analysis and accumulation strategies. None of the content is financial advice. This is the front page of our website, cryptoweeklies.com. The link is on the bottom of your screen. All of the data related to Doge as well as most top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap and top 100 cryptos by market cap is available on the website. You don't have to sign up or pay for anything. So let's get started. Why are we discussing Doge today? In the last 24 hours, the token or the crypto has rallied by about 10.5%, healthy gain over the last 7 days about 15%. And if you check Dogecoin and its tokenomics, about 140 or 150 billion circulating supply, total supply exactly the same, doesn't have max supply. But if you take a look at the tokenomics on a logarithmic scale, the price and the market cap growth are going in hand in hand. So even though there is a lot of token inflation, if you look at 1 year at a time at a point in time, the market cap growth and the price growth is going hand in hand. That means there are no unlocks, but if there is any a new token release, they're released as part of percent inflation. So let's get started with the machine learning based price forecast. The price for Doge at 12 cents. The price forecasted by the model, this is the weekly price action for Doge since 2017. Per the model, the base case is in this line in pink, the bull case is in line in yellow at 1 standard deviation confidence, and the bear case again in light lime green. The base case for Doge per the model between now and end of March of 2025 is between 11 cents and 15 cents. The bull case is between 13 cents and 41 cents, and the bear case between 5 cents and 10 cents essentially. So that's the forecast for Doge. At a weekly level though, week by week calculations of our machine learning based forecast is available on the table below. The base case is the column in the middle. To its left are the 3 standard deviation bearish scenarios for each week, and to its right are the bullish scenarios at 1, 2 and 3 standard confidence level. The 2 standard deviation or the mania phase forecast for Doge between now and March is between 15 cents and $1. If you look at that in a pictorial view, you'll find this bull case scenario. So if the market were to go parabolic, that this could be one of the scenarios for Doge. If on the other hand market stays within the 1 standard deviation confidence or 1 standard deviation bands, which are almost at around 70% confidence level, the price action that we discussed between 13 cents and 41 cents at a bull case are the most likely scenarios. Again, not financial advice. In terms of regression based analysis, where this is the price of Doge, again if we get rid of all the other bands, you will find that the weekly price action is color coded in white. On top of that is the fair value regression, polynomial regression based valuation. In the bearish phases of the market, the regression function has a downward slope. In the bullish phase, it has an upward slope. Right now, if you check for the slope since about 2024, when 2024 began, the prices or the fair value has an upward slope. The pink line, that is, the price is very close to the fair value. You can see that the fair value at around 11.35 cents, the price at around 12 cents. So if we add 1 standard deviation confidence bands, you will find that the crypto stays about 70% of the time within these bounds. That 1 standard deviation ceiling for Doge is at around 26 cents, and the 1 standard deviation floor at around 4 cents. The last time that is in April or March of 2024, when the price of Doge was around 22 cents, that corresponded to 1 standard deviation ceiling. And once that ceiling was reached, the price capitulated back to the fair value because of the lack of momentum to go beyond the 1 standard deviation. So one significant rally during the bear market, which came close to the fair value and then again got sold off. Then the second rally back to 1 standard deviation ceiling and again getting sold off to the fair value. Now the interesting level would be the 27 cents. If that gets if the token rallies to that point, then the 2 standard deviation ceiling coming at around right now at around 62 cents. So those are the key levels to watch to the upside. The if there is a further dump in the market, or the market capitulates, the 4.7 cents is the key level to watch to the downside. So that's the regression analysis. To summarize, the price is very close to the fair value at this point. In terms of the accumulation strategy, there are 3 models that we have, and then again estimated bull target for Doge, and also a summary risk model. We'll start with the SMA model, which is the shortest term model of in terms of risk reward. The risk to accumulate Doge is at around between 0.1 and 0.2 risk level. That means the reward is between that is 12% risk, 88% reward at this point, per the simple moving average based model. Takes into the consideration difference between the price and the 20-week moving average of Doge. In terms of the one market cycle at a time DCA model, which is based on the regression analysis, this points to a risk level for accumulating Doge at around 0.06. That means it's the best time to accumulate Doge. You can see that Doge has this tendency to stay in this range bound regimen for about 2 to 3 years, and then again have a step function rise during the course of the bull market. That's why again at this point of time the risk is 6%, the reward is 94% for per the DCA model. And per the time weighted average price model, the price is above the time weighted average price. That means this blue line is kind of the line in sand. As the price is above the time weighted average price, the risk to accumulate is around 40%, reward at 60%. So if we were to look at the 20-week, 100-week and 200-week moving average for Doge, the key levels to look are the price is close to the 20-week moving average at around 11 cents, but below the 200-week price at around 12.5 cents. If the price goes beyond like it has done 12.58 cents right now at this level, price is slightly above the 200-week, and 100-week at coming at around 9 cents. So the key level at the some support at the bottom at around 9.5 cents. The resistance at around 12 cents, and 12.5 cents. So those are the key levels to watch. And if we were to normalize the risk behavior based on these based on three simple moving averages, the normalized risk at this point is at around 4%. So 4% risk, 96% reward. If we go to the estimated bull target for Doge based on this risk based model, again price close to 13 cents, regression risk as we discussed 6%, time weighted average price at around 45%, SMA risk at around 15%, weighted risk, if we weight these 3 models much to the favor of the regression risk, the weighted risk at around 20%, that means weighted reward at around 80%. Per this model, the bull peak forecasted is around 62 cents. That means the reward is at around 5x from the current level. So this is all of the analysis related to Doge. Hope you enjoyed this content related to Doge. Now we'll just move towards the wider crypto market and what is in store per some of the indicators. The crypto sentiment over the last 24 hours is at around 83 or 84%. That means it's bullish. Or the news related to crypto over the last 24 hours, most of the narratives are green, some red, but most are green. So and the social sentiment is also positive. The risk score based on what is the risk for most of the top 100 cryptos by market cap, 20% risk, 80% reward. We have left this low risk regimen, which is the green color code. Now we are in this moderate risk between. So we can see that today, that is on October 14th, if we just zoom it over here a little bit over here, October 14th, the latest risk score at around 0.20, that is about 80% reward and 20% risk, but again definitely coming under moderate risk in yellow color code. In terms of the narratives over the last 7 days which are having popularity, Bitcoin and the bullish sentiment is back. The other narratives related to Chainlink, which is a newer narrative on this NarrativeCloud. This is all of the discussions related to crypto over the last 7 days on social media platforms such as YouTube and X. Hedera is one of the recently discussed narrative, again Cardano, XRP, Altcoins are also discussed. Ethereum, the bearish sentiment is existing in the market, but not as much of a presence as the bullish sentiment. ETF related flows are being discussed. The October related narrative is gaining some traction. The meme coins, definitely that narrative has died down, but still not diminished totally. Solana gaining some traction, but not as much as it was over the last 2 to 3 months. And some of the ETF holders such as BlackRock and also newer cryptos such as Sui are being discussed. So that is one single snapshot of what is happening in the market, which narratives are gaining traction. So all of this content is available on the website. Just wanted to highlight that. And with this, I would like to conclude the video. Hope you like the content and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.